Hello, my name is Adam Kless, Athletic Director at Burke Catholic High School. The mission of the Burke Catholic Athletic Department is to foster the quest of excellence by creating an educational and competitive athletic experience within an atmosphere of Christianity and sportsmanship. Each program's goal is to develop individual and team potential by promoting high standards of competence, character, civility, citizenship, and Christianity. Burke Catholic is proud to offer 15 of the 23 sport programs currently sponsored by the New York State Public High School Athletic Association. We consistently have close to 70% of our total student body participate in at least one sport during the school year. Students are encouraged to participate, and all students have an opportunity to try out for their sport of choice, regardless of their skill level or past experience. In fact, many of our students who never played prior to coming to Burke Catholic tried here for the first time and wind up playing it all 4 years of their high school careers. All are welcome to become a member of the Eagles team. Thank you for considering Burke Catholic. We look forward to providing you and your students with an overall positive high school athletic experience. Thank you.